Your skin isn't dry, your moisturizer isn't broken, your skin is overworked. What if the problem isn't what you thought? We often find ourselves in a cycle. That tight feeling with our skin, the itching, the burning, the reactive skin, and sometimes we perhaps think that we have sensitive skin. But is it really sensitive? We fall into the cycle of adding more products, more serum, more actives, another moisturizer, and perhaps those skincare trends. Does it sound familiar? The more our skin reacts, it's the more products we tend to consume, thinking it will solve the problem. We go out, we procure another moisturizer, another serum, more exfoliants. We add those popular additives and actives. Niacinamide, salicylic acid, you name them, they're there. Skincare trends, we try them. And what happens? Our skin keeps rejecting it. We still have the sensitive skin. Our skin keeps reacting. The tight feeling, that burning sensation. They say hydrate more, drink more water. That will solve the problem. Indeed, drink more water. But hydration is not the same as repair. Let's think about it. A damaged barrier is not a healthy barrier. A healthy skin barrier retains more moisture. A healthy skin barrier keep irritants out. A healthy skin barrier is calm and resilient. A damaged skin barrier, you are losing excess moisture A damaged skin barrier, irritants are coming in. A damaged skin barrier is not calm. So, how do you recover? Easy. Structure. Less chaos. Not more products. Not more exfoliant. A calm skin. Less stress on your skin barrier. Support recovery. And most importantly, support the maintenance of the recovery. Remember, less products, more structure, less chaos.